How to share PDF link from Google Drive. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to share a PDF link from Google Drive. It's super simple and easy, so let's get started. First thing first, you need to open up your browser. Once you're in the browser, in the search bar, you need to type Drive. Then you need to click on the first option that appears. Now that you're on the Google Drive and you are logged in, you need to simply click on New, that is located in the left hand side. So then you need to click on File Upload. From here, you need to simply go ahead and select the PDF file that you want to upload to your drive, and then you need to click on Open. Now that the file is uploaded, you need to simply click on it in order to open the file. Now that the file has been opened, you need to simply click on Share option over here. Simply go ahead and click on that. Once you have done that, you can see that the general access has been restricted. In order to change it, you need to simply click on it, and from here you need to click on anyone with link. Now, anyone that you have provided the link would be able to access the file. Now, from here, if you set the option to viewer, they can only view your PDF file. But if you want them to edit your PDF file, you need to simply click on viewer over here, and from here you need to click on editor. Once you have done that, you can simply add the people or groups from here, and you need to simply click on done. Or you can even manually send the link by simply clicking on copy link, and once the link is copied, you can send it to that person that you want to have the access to your PDF. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and I'll see you in the next video.